We're live in Germany for Hannover Messe 2022. I'm Michael Hainsworth. Private networks are a critical piece of the puzzle when it comes to Industry 4.0. Joining us now for a closer look at that is the puzzle master himself. Martin, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, my pleasure.
When we talk about the progress that has been made over the last little while on the industrial side, what's your experience been?
So we were doing these private networks for quite a while. So when I think, for example, about GSMRs, so the networks that are being used to steer railways, we're doing this since 20 years, right? But what I noticed is that 3 to 4 years ago, we saw a real uptake of private wireless technologies from industries who were just, looking for increased efficiencies, for Industry 4.0 concepts, and who just would like to get going to optimize their business cases.
And while 5G is largely the focus here, there is still a role for Wi-Fi.
Oh, yes. We cannot debate it away, right? Wi-Fi is already there. Wherever we go, Wi-Fi is already there. And honestly spoken, it's also at its right. Not only in the homes and in the offices, also on the shop floor we find Wi-Fi. However, putting 5G and Wi-Fi together, that can actually become a real dream combination. So we have some nice software compiled that actually bundles these together to finally reap the fruits and take the best of both. And by putting this software on top of these two connectivity technologies, we can actually take a use case and then put it onto the right technology depending on the quality of service that this use case actually desires. That's what we've done.
So that's the data side coming in. That gives us access to the edge cloud and a whole host of capabilities, including industrial automation, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and all sorts of things like that.
Yeah, so this edge cloud has of course now become our new central part of our overall concept here. Connectivity, that's something we master, right? But what gets now really important is bringing all the data together on the industrial edge, apply the software algorithms to create the value that it finally needs in the industry to also have the value for the end customer, right? It's at the end, it's in the software, right? It's not in the connectivity.
This is your digital twin idea.
That is our digital twin idea, yes. So taking the data, analyze it, then we twin it to finally optimize it.
Tell me about Boost.
So Boost is the concept that I just tried to explain. So when we take different radio access technologies together, the Boost concept actually puts this quality of service bundle over these radio access technologies, and then a use case that goes on top can select the best of breed of the radio access technologies that are underneath to actually have the best performance, reliability, latency. We optimize it with this Boost software, which is a Bell Labs innovation from our Bell Labs.
It's a storied institution.
It is, yes, indeed, yes.
So here at Hannover Messe 2022, for Nokia, it's all about ready for anything. What does that mean to you?
For me, anything means ecosystem. So by putting now everything together on the mission-critical industrial edge, we have the best platform where we can really now bring together all the industry players, small software startups, enable the ecosystem to create software algorithms that finally create a huge value in terms of Industry 4.0 for the industry.
Martin, thank you so much for your time today.
My pleasure. Thank you.
We're live in Germany at Hannover Messe 2022. I'm Michael Hainsworth.